How to use Facebook to get back your boyfriend. Social networking isn't just a sneaky way to keep an eye on your ex. You can really use Facebook to get your boyfriend back. Few people can contain their curiosity about what their ex is up to. And you can optimize your Facebook page to make you super attractive to your boyfriend. So why not use Facebook to get your boyfriend back by creating a killer profile that will have him reeling at your new confidence and style. Why you need to use Facebook to get your boyfriend back. Facebook is powerful. Your profile says a lot about you, and it can have a big impact on how your boyfriend sees you, so you really do need to make sure that you get it right. So add enough of the wow factor, and when your ex-boyfriend comes visiting your Facebook page, you will stop him dead in his tracks and get him thinking more about you. How to make sure your boyfriend is looking at your Facebook page. You can maximize the chances of your boyfriend stopping by on your Facebook page. Do not contact him through his Facebook page. In fact, don't contact him any at all. Eventually, he's bound to notice and wonder why. Then he will go and look for clues on your Facebook profile. Do not unfriend him. He must be able to see your profile, and unfriending him will get all your friends asking questions and commenting all over your wall, which you definitely do not want. Practice the no contact rule to get your boyfriend back. Sooner or later, the chances that your boyfriend will contact you. When you don't respond, it will trigger a jumble of emotions in him, probably of confusion, annoyance, and frustration, which will eventually have him checking out your Facebook page to see if he can find out what you're up to these days. This is where you will hit him with the wow factor. What you should do after your breakup. Remember that to your boyfriend, you are attractive. When you first met, he probably thought you were amazing. Maybe you have let your appearance slip up a bit. Maybe you haven't, but either way, he has got used to your looks by now. Men are very visual creatures. You need to remind him just how stunning you really are. Your appearance is an important weapon in your armory for getting him back. There are lots of things you can do to stop him in his tracks when he eventually sees you again. Eating well for great skin and hair. Losing some weight if you had started to spread a little. Wearing clothes that show off your sexy curves. Making small changes to your hairstyle, and always looking great. Your Facebook profile is your showcase, so when your ex-boyfriend sees it, he won't be thinking, she looks even worse than I remember, thank goodness I broke up with her. Instead, he'll be going, wow, she really looks amazing, why the hell on earth did I let her go? How to use Facebook to get your boyfriend back. That perfect Facebook profile. The power of Facebook is the picture it paints of your life. You can do that by constructing the perfect Facebook profile. Look at the profiles of your friends and note down the ones that caught your eye. What did they do and have made them to look so attractive and appealing? An appealing profile, picture and cover photo, plenty of friends of both sexes, plenty of pictures, lots of interactions and people commenting on your wall, new things happening in your life right now. This is the kind of profile that will catch any man's eyes. Your profile picture. Your profile picture is crucial if you want to use Facebook to get your boyfriend back. It must be new and different. Your boyfriend knows how you look, so startle him with something different and special. The best profile picture is a close-up of your face, showing poise and confidence. Wear something simple and striking in a bold color. Don't let anything in the background distract the eye from seeing you. A slightly side-angled look is often more alluring than a full-face shot, so consider standing sideways onto the camera or looking over your shoulder. Practice looking in the mirror first to decide on your best side. Keep the light soft and flattering. If you have a particularly sexy figure, you might want to include a little bit of more of your body than just your head and shoulders. But make sure your pose is natural and inviting. Don't use a selfie. Get someone else to take the picture so that your face and body are in proportion. Don't have anyone else in the picture, especially another man. And don't include friends, pets, or children either. This picture is all about you. Do remember to smile. Does your cover photo matter? A cover photo can tell a story. Your cover photo should say something about you. Avoid the abstract or neutral look like a landscape or flower, and try to make your cover photo say something about your life, your aspirations, your dreams, or the things you enjoy. The best cover photos tell a story, evoke memories, or hint at an exciting future. Don't, however, try to evoke memories of your past relationships. For a start, it has failed, so it is poor salesmanship, and you don't want your boyfriend to know that you're thinking about him. Your other pictures, what do they say about you? Men are like children, they always look at the pictures first. Your boyfriend will look at them before he pays attention to the comments on your wall. Let your pictures tell a story of your new life as a single woman. They should project happiness and fun, and they should make you look good, sociable, and busy. Make sure some of your pictures have men in them. This shows him that you are meeting people and making new friends. In short, it builds your social value. Let him know that if you decided to start date again, you do have choices. You don't want him to think that you have already found someone else, but you might want him to know that you have options, and you want him to know that you are living and having fun. The wrong photos. Do not post pictures of you drinking. This looks like you are drowning your sorrows. Don't post the wrong photos, such as getting too physical with other men. You may be subtle in your use of jealousy. Any pictures that invites or hints that you may be feeling sad, desperate, or thinking about your boyfriend. Here are the right photos to post. You out with your friends, males and females, having fun at crowded, popular events, holiday photos, especially of you looking great on a beach in your bikini, pictures of interesting and exciting places you have been visiting, etc. Your status updates. Remember the golden rule: no emotional angst. This is a mistake lots of women make, but your Facebook updates are all going to be positive, upbeat, and optimistic. Your status updates are all about your great new life and the fun you are now having. A woman with a fun and interesting life is attractive. She projects high social value. She's the kind of woman a man wants to be around and with. She's also in a position of power. This is where you can use the jealousy demon to your advantage. Use Facebook to get your boyfriend back by making him jealous. Post pictures of you with other men, but keep them suggestive, not inflammatory. If your boyfriend thinks you have moved on with other guys, he's more likely to congratulate himself on a lucky escape than come storming after you to drag you back into his arms. So, post flirtatious pictures of you with men who are clearly attracted to you, but leave your boyfriend guessing whether or not you are attracted to them. This will give him a sense of urgency about the future. He hasn't got forever in which to change his mind. Jealousy can be a powerful incentive to make a man aware that he doesn't really want to lose you after all. But you do need to take care when you use jealousy against your ex-boyfriend. Jealousy is a powerful emotion and it can be very quite destructive.